NovaCura, mobile solutions with a focus on your process. In this presentation, we'll look at NovaCura's offering and talk about some of its important features. Why you should be using NovaCura's mobile solutions, what a mobile solution is, how it should be used, and who it is intended for. Why should you use NovaCura's mobile solutions? The answer is simple. You'll quite simply improve your efficiency. Our solution is always based on your process and your operation. You decide how your mobile solution should operate. To be sure we would design a simple and intuitive interface, we examine the needs of the people who actually use the solution, the technicians, the warehouse staff, and others. Integrated and ready to use with IFS applications. There is no integration project if you use NovaCura's mobile solution with IFS applications. Everything you do with your handheld terminal is executed straight away in IFS without any delay. In other words, an efficient solution for your operation. Mobile solution mean and how is it used? The cornerstone and the unique element in NovaCura's mobile solution is the process platform. You can use our ready-made processes for such things as inventory handling. Alternatively, you could design your own unique process with the help of NovaCura's Workflow Designer. Since no two operations are identical, the focus will always be on identifying improvements to suit your particular environment. After that, it is your process that determines how your mobile solution works. NovaCura's mobile solution also has a user-friendly and intuitive interface that is highly suitable for handheld terminals and mobile phones using Windows Mobile. You can decide if you want to use a web or a Windows interface. For data capture, both barcode and RFID can be used. Direct requirement situation. Business system means the data is always correct, since each step is validated by IFS. During validation, the transaction takes place directly in the business system without any delay. This naturally offers considerable benefits compared to dual storage of data, which can often give rise to inconsistencies. NovaCura's mobile solution is an online solution, but if you temporarily lose the link, the current information is stored. As soon as you re-establish contact, you can continue to communicate with the IFS system without losing any information. For whom is NovaCura's mobile solution intended? NovaCura's mobile solution is ideal for all companies with inventory of some sort, whether for in-house manufacturing operations or for distribution. The solution is also excellent for service companies with technicians out in the field, where it can be used to streamline handling of work orders. Specma Hydraulic in Sweden uses NovaCura's mobile solution for handling incoming goods and outgoing deliveries, as well as for inventory management. Specma uses PL3000 handheld terminals from Nordic ID. These have a pistol grip, laser sight, and support for both wireless LAN and GPRS. Let's take a closer look at how this system is used when handling incoming goods. NovaCura's mobile solution is triggered for registration at the arrival point, where it prints out a unique report with barcodes and then runs a workflow. This entire process is specified step by step. In this case, the arrival report is scanned to confirm the arrival data is correct. The application shows the correct arrival data, identifies the article, and specifies how many units are to be received. It is always possible to step back in the application process as long as the transaction has not been transmitted to IFS. If you do not have barcodes from the outset, NovaCura's mobile solution generates them for you. In this example, all the goods have arrived and the system suggests where the delivery batch can be stored in the warehouse. It also tries to optimize inventory storage by minimizing the number of locations using data such as warehouse zones and picking frequency. By avoiding a fragmented storage pattern during the delivery phase, there are lots of the system benefits and later retrieval processes. This allows you to see the stock status of any article, which is rather useful if you want to top up or move them. And it is particularly useful if you're in the middle of an operation and someone wants to know the stock status of an article, or you want to print out labels, for instance. After executing this function, the system returns to the point in the workflow at which it was previously interrupted. The handheld terminal is separate from the workflow, which means it has no built-in logic. All the logic is controlled by the workflow as defined in Novacura's Workflow Designer and is stored in XML files, which clearly define each work stage for each particular installation. An obvious advantage is that it is possible to switch workflow without the need to install and restart, significantly reducing time to move to another task. All inventory handling can be improved and streamlined, and Novacura has shown you how. Do get in touch with us at Novacura for more information. We are always happy to visit you to give a more detailed presentation of our mobile solutions and to review your own inventory handling requirements. Novacura, your mobile solution supplier. Nordic ID, a passion for wireless efficiency.